Hello, my name is Konstantin and I want to introduce you our software DragonFly for bullet time. This is a main window of our program. Uh, this window is intended for operator or photographer. In this window you can set the main settings of camera that's necessary for shooting, such as aperture, exposure, ISO. Try. Okay. In this window, you can see button enable thumbnails. By clicking for this button, you can start preview mode. Try. You see, in this mode, the screen displays the pictures from each camera in turn. Okay. By clicking this button, or you can click enter on the keyboard or button on the wireless control to take picture. You can see result on the screen, but now the image is not stabilized. Okay, let's move to next tab. This tab gallery. On this tab you can choose video, type your email, and click button send. When you press send button, the message is placed to the send queue. This mail queue allows you to avoid blocking by mail service with anti-spam filters. Let's move to tab settings. This camera order and leave view settings. In this window, you can change additional camera settings such as quality, and light balance. And in this window, you can change order of your camera, and you can adjust the focus of the lens if you use the last generation of Canon lenses. Next tab, main settings. In this tab, you can choose interface language, trigger type, and set paths for saving video and source images. Next tab, mail settings. In this tab, you can set login, password, and other mail settings, mail subject and mail text. Next up, cameras adjustment. It's a very important tab. Now we try to calibrate our cameras. Just change settings. I think like this. Okay, I see it's normal. You can see clear the diode, and another image is quite dark. Okay. Check. You can see the spread of values is very large because this video is not stable. Start calibration. Okay, the calibration has finished and now coordinates are closer to each other. Check. That's good. Try these settings. You can see rotation occurs around the axis formed by LEDs. Go to next tab. This tab is brand new. In this tab, we create presets for video. In the preset, you can set aspect ratio and frame size for our video. Okay. You can use text or image for branding. You can change the position of image by dragging it by mouse. You can set scale and opacity for this image. We have three options for image: static, sequence, and auto rotation. Static is means the same image on each camera. Sequence is a pre-prepared sequence for each camera, and auto rotation. Okay, you can see this image is rotate around axis. Okay. And last tab, database. In this tab, you can see all mails in mail query. If you see error, you can press button send, and this mail will send again. You can export your database of emails to XLS format. Okay, now we see another window. This window is displayed on second monitor connected to laptop. This monitor is directly toward to shooting area. On it, the photographer can see the current settings. The photographer has four buttons on the wireless control. The first button is turn on the live view mode. You can see. Next button is used for shooting. On waiting for result, you can see images. It's a random image used for entertainment guests. Okay. And third and fourth buttons used for switch between freeze mode and slow motion mode. 20 milliseconds between cameras. And now freeze again. Okay, it's a last slide. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, please.